Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Masud. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 3 tips for buying digital collectibles on the Opensea website. So before we begin, I just wanted to let you know I've left the link to the Opensea website in the video description below, so you can check out the marketplace whenever you want. To begin the video now, I'd like to start off with my first tip. My first tip is to, whenever you're buying or you're wanting to buy a digital collectible or an NFT as it's most commonly called, is to be patient and take it slow. Don't be desperate. Whenever you're wanting to buy something, take your time and make wrapped ETH offers. So this is my second tip. Make wrapped ETH offers when you're wanting to buy a particular project. I personally made this mistake of using the buy it now option when I was initially getting into this. And I only realized afterwards how much cheaper I could have bought that particular NFT for. It's a bit like buying a property, you know, you have multiple viewings on multiple houses and you make multiple offers to see where you're going to get the best deal. So this is exactly the same thing. You want to make offers which are good offers, and it will be a win-win for you and the seller. You don't want to be paying the full asking price because you know you'll be overpaying. Yeah. And my third tip is, if you're buying a digital collectible for the purposes of making money, which 95% of people are doing the same thing, you want to make sure you actually, of course, this is a given, I don't have to tell you that before investing or buying that particular digital collectible, you want to do your research. You know, have a good idea, have a clear idea on why you think the value of that NFT or digital collectible is going to go up in the future. Does it have historical significance, i.e. is it the first project on the Ethereum blockchain, or one of the first few that were on the Ethereum blockchain? 2, is it culturally relevant? Does it have a social media community around it? Are people talking about it, and what do they think about it? 3, check out if it has a Discord group. Try to join the Discord group and see what the vibe is like. You know, is it positive? Do you get a good feeling from it? If you do, and all those boxes tick the box, all those things I said tick the box, then you know you can feel reassured that it's going to be a good buy. If you feel good about it, then usually it is. That's the way I kind of go about doing it. So yeah, those are my top 3 tips. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something new. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.